Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today I'm going to show you how to apply tire shine like a pro with our Masterson Spray Shine Tire and Trim Protectant. Now, if you're getting tire sling all over your car, then you're not using quality products and you're using amateur techniques. So today I'm going to show you how to apply quality dressing to your vehicle using professional techniques so your tires look great and your job always comes out perfect. Now, everything we use in this video, you can pick up right now on our website, mastersonswax.com, where you can get everything you need to get your car looking great. Now on this tire, we need to put some tire shine on it. It's looking dry. We clean the tire looking real good, but it has no tire shine on it. It's perfectly clean. Now the pro tip to applying tire shine is you need to clean the tire. We used our Masterson's degreaser on this one, our heavy duty formula, to clean the tire, and now the tire is super clean. Now on this car right here, it likes to go in the canyons, it likes to drive hard, so the brake dust embeds itself into the tire. Now that's because rubbers are porous, and that means all of the brake dust and the metallic carbons getting stuck in that tire. So we use our degreaser to scrub off all that carbon, and now we're ready to apply our tire dressing. Now the main tip that I want to tell you guys is how to use an applicator pad, because this is what the pros use. Now an amateur technique is to take the tire dressing and spray it on the tire. And that means you're going to get tire dressing over here on the fender and on the wheel, and then all the dirt's going to stick to the tire dressing. It's going to look bad. So we're going to show you how to apply our Masterson Spray Shine using our Pro Foam applicator pad. Now, this is our Pro Foam applicator pad. It's an extra soft applicator pad that has a foam backing on the back. Now the foam backing on the back gives you great grip to apply your tire dressings to the tire. Plus the waffle cone design on the front is going to mean it's going to hold the dressing. So take your spray shine, shake it up, and then let's spray it on the applicator pad. Here we go, I sprayed it right on the applicator pad. Now here, let's apply it to the tire. Let's take it and rub it into the tire. Now these are kind of a low profile tire. So I like to take the applicator pad and turn it sideways, just like that. And look, I get it right on the tire. That's because we designed this applicator pad for professionals. So that means if you got a thick tire, you can run it long ways, or if you got a low profile tire, you could turn it sideways. Now this is a polymer based dressing. I love this dressing because it's gonna sink into the tire and it's gonna create that wet look. I love that wet look, but I don't like the greasy look. The greasy look you'll get from those poor quality petroleum based dressings. I like a nice water based polymer dressing. It gives a nice shine, but it's dry to the touch. It won't attract any dirt or any dust. Let's do half of this tire to show you guys the difference on here. There we go. Actually, we'll do a little bit more, and we'll leave this part empty so you guys can see the difference at the end. There you go. Now, I like to take my applicator pad, and the trick is to spread this on thick, because the excess is going to be released from the surface, and this rubber is porous. It needs to soak in the dressing. If you're not using enough dressing, the rubber isn't going to soak it in, and it's not going to absorb the shine. So you want to do is put it on the surface and let it absorb. And massage it in. That's one of the main factors. If you guys come in close, this tire has ridges. So if you have tires like Kumo or these Nittos, they have ridges right here, and you need to take your dressing and push it into those ridges. If not, you're not gonna have a good shine and you're gonna have a bad day. So let's go ahead and push that right into the tire. There we go. Now, if you want a super wet shine, leave it like this and let it dry 20 minutes. I like a medium shine, so I'm going to take my microfiber towel, and I'm just gonna give a good wipe. There we go. Ah, this is the look I like. A nice black original look. There we go. Now come in close, guys. Look at that. That is a nice original finish. I love that. It doesn't look greasy and nasty. It looks clean and original. And check that out, dry to the touch. That's amazing, right? That's because our Spray Shine Tire and Trim Dressing is water-based with a polymer formula. So if you guys come over here and see the difference, come in close, guys, this is the area that has no dressing on it. You could see that it is dry and it has no shine to it. Over here on this side, this is where we put the one coating of our Masterson Spray Shine. And check that out. That's a nice original formula, and it's dry to the touch. Now, if you want a super wet look, you can actually take a little bit more dressing and spread a second coat on, and that's how you get that nice little wet, deeper look. I like to go one coat. If you want a real show-winning shine, you can go ahead and put 2 coats on. And then take another microfiber towel and just give it a good wipe. And this is gonna give it a little bit more shine. You can always build up layers. That's why I like this dressing. It does a lot of different jobs when you're detailing. Well, there we go, guys. Now we got our tire dressing on the tire. It simply looks amazing, and that's how the pros do it, with a pro applicator pad and a nice sprayable dressing. This dressing is simply fantastic because it's not gonna sling off the surface. When you put it on the surface and you let it absorb into the tire and then remove the excess, it's not gonna fling off. And that way, this car can go outside, do a burnout, and none of the tire dressing is gonna fly off from any tire. So now it looks good, it has a nice black shine, and it's not going to attract dust and dirt either. So if you're using those petroleum-based tire dressings, those are going to absorb brake dust, and they're actually going to absorb dirt and stick on the surface. That's why your tires might always look dirty. With this product right here, our Spray Shine Tire and Trim Protectant, which is my favorite tire dressing, it simply looks fantastic and it doesn't attract the dirt. So now you know all the tips on how to apply tire dressing just like a pro. If you want to pick up our Spray Shine and our Pro Foam applicator pad and any microfiber towels, hop over to our website, mastersonswax.com. Get everything you need to get your car looking great. I'm Greg Masterson. We'll see you next time. And always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.